Alright guys, I'm Rafa from Nature Hardwired, and if you've been keeping up with my channel and some of the videos I post, you know I do a lot of hiking, camping, a lot of mountain biking, I go off-roading, I just got into backpacking, and I'm gonna go over the gear, the cameras I use to film all these adventures. So let's get started. First things first, I am a huge, super huge fan of these GoPros. These things are small, and these things get down to business right here. It's a GoPro 11, and this is the 13. They're almost identical as far as resolution. They both record in 4K, 5K, up to 120 frames. These things are legit for all my mountain biking stuff, where I'm jumping around, I'm going down these crazy rock gardens. These things, the stabilization is awesome in these, and you get some really nice footage with these things. So these are my go-tos for everything. All my camping, all my backpacking trips, I set these up. You can set up time lapse on these just like you would on your phone also. Comes out really good. And these things are waterproof. So you could stick these, just go straight into the water without a housing. I think it's up to like 33 feet you can go down. And I love these. I can't talk bad about the GoPros. I know there's different cameras, but what I use, the GoPros are the business. And they have all kinds of mounts for the GoPros. The main one I use this one. I got it off Amazon. I'll put a link below for this, and I'll put a link below for all my gear here. This thing is my selfie stick. I usually have the GoPro on here, and I hang it right here on my backpack. Whenever I need it, I could be recording kind of POV, and then I just slide it right out, and I extend, and here I go, checking out the scene. And then if I want to prop it up somewhere and get some other footage, boom, good to go. This thing's super cool. This thing's like under 30 bucks. I use this all the time. I like it because it's not cheap, it's heavy. So if it's windy and, you know, or you just have it somewhere and it's not really, you know, because when you go hiking, it's, you know, nothing's flat. So this thing's a little kind of heavy duty for that. So they have all kinds of mounts. They got a chest mount here. This is the other one I use when I go mountain biking. But when I get crazy mountain biking, I use this bad boy. I use a chest protector, but I have my chest mount glued on right here. And you can stick them onto anything. I have one on my helmet, my full face. Got one right here on the side. If I wanted to record from my chest mount going this way, and then the camera, my other camera facing behind me, you know, follow my buddies behind. I have one actually on the top here. So GoPro has a lot of mounts for whatever the occasion. GoPro's the business. So these are my main cameras. This is what I record with. All right, the next camera is my iPhone. Now all the new phones have a great camera. Everyone's posting beautiful videos and pictures on social media with this phone. However, this is not an action camera. You can run with it, you can stick it in your pocket, you can prop it up, you can use a selfie stick, but the chances are it's gonna fall, it's too big, it's too bulky, it's not intended for that. You need an action camera for the action shots. This is good for talking straight into the camera, setting this up on a tripod, recording yourself, recording the view wherever you're at. However, the one big benefit about this, which I use and I've learned, is at night you're gonna get a way better, clear picture using the phone versus the GoPro. The GoPro is gonna look dark, it's gonna look grainy, and you're not gonna have a clean picture. Use your phone. Definitely, this has, hands down, a better picture in the evening. My favorite piece of gear, my favorite is my drone. This is a DJI Mini 4 Pro, and this thing is so cool because I love mountain biking, I love hiking. I like this one will track you. And if you see some of my videos, I'll put one in the link. I'll put one up here so you can click on it. But this thing will follow you. Just follow you. As long as it doesn't get blocked off by something. This records up to 4K. The picture is so clean. As long as you get your settings right, depending if it's really bright, if the sun starts going down, as long as you know, you have it all dialed in, it looks amazing. Like the videos you see on social media where they're just like, man, that looks clean. Well, that's this right here. That's this right here. And this one came with this, it's called an RC2 controller. And this one's a little bit more expensive because it's a full controller versus the one that doesn't come with it. You would just use your phone, a little mini controller, and you run a cable from your phone to the controller. It works perfectly fine, but it's not as, you know, secure because you have two pieces. If the cable gets loose and say you drop it or whatever, it could be bad. This thing, you're locked in, you got the whole thing. So, drone, my favorite. Obviously, the thing about the drone is you have to be careful because there's a lot of different rules when flying the drone. There's places you're not allowed to fly it, and you shouldn't be flying it. There's places where it will not let you take off because it's completely restricted. So, there is some things with the drone that you have to be careful with. But you're gonna get some super cool footage with this. Super cool footage. These things go for, this is the newest, 13 is the newest one. This one is like $379, just under 400 bucks. The 11 is, they still sell the 11. This is about 100 bucks cheaper. This is about $289. So they're both for hiking, biking, and just, you know, doing your regular adventures. This is cool. This is the 4, Mini 4 Pro. They have a 5 out now. I've had this for about 1.5 years, and this thing is about 1,300 bucks for the whole package. It's called the Fly More package. So you get the drone, you get the upgraded controller, you get 3 batteries. They're bigger batteries, so they got more flying time. You would think, you know, I believe they're each rated about 45 minutes per battery, and 45 minutes flying a drone is a long time. This thing is legit. So I'll put links in the description for these. The newest version, which my buddy just got, is the 5. It's almost identical to this. There's a couple little differences. I'm not 100% sure what exactly the differences are. But it's only $100 more and you get the newer version. The tracking is pretty much identical because I was showing them how to use it. But this thing is so cool because you can have it track you basically on the controller. You have it track you from behind, from the front. It will recognize you. So if you turn, it will turn with you and it will face you. It's freaking awesome. This thing is freaking so crazy. So crazy. And I've gotten pretty brave because I'm flying it over lakes and over the ocean. I've gone to the beach and I floated over the waves, and I've tried to come down really low right before the waves start breaking, like right over it. And, you know, I'm comfortable controlling it. So, you know, I'm doing that now, which is pretty cool. So, but this is my gear. This is my gear. This is what I use. Links in the description. Follow my channel, and I do, like I said, I do a lot of hiking, a lot of mountain biking. I just got into off-roading, I just got into backpacking. That's super fun. All this stuff's new, and I just get out there and I just do it, you know. And all right guys, hopefully you liked the video, hopefully you learned something, and hopefully you get one of these cameras because they're all really good. And another thing, I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you go through the link in the description, you will help my channel out. So tell me what you think. Tell me what camera you recommend if it's not one of these, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Peace.